5 months ago, I met Dr. Brad at the MS social that I go to, and he's talking about your spine and all this. And years ago, I went to a chiropractor, and I quit because it was no good. So I was very hesitant about coming to see Dr. Brad. But I thought, oh, what the heck, things have changed. So I did. And I've been coming now for 5 months, and he's just awesome. I was getting migraines really, really bad every month, and I would be taking about 10 to 12 Tylenols a day for at least, until my headache went away. And a cold cloth over my forehead, and just complete quiet. Now that I've been going to Dr. Brad, I don't take any Tylenols, don't get any headaches, and if I do get a headache, 1 Tylenol will do, and sometimes none will do. So he's been so good, and I really, really appreciate everything that Dr. Brad has done. I recommend Dr. Brad to everybody. So yeah, he's been doing great, and I'm so glad that he's now fixing me up.